Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Today we delve into the fascinating world of BingX copy trading. If you're looking to maximize your trading potential without the steep learning curve, you've come to the right place. BingX is an innovative platform that allows users to copy the trades of experienced traders while you sit back and watch your investments grow. But what exactly makes BingX stand out in the crowded market of crypto trading? Let's explore its key features and how they can benefit you. Firstly, BingX provides a user-friendly interface that is perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform offers a diverse range of assets, making it easy to find the right trading strategy that fits your goals and risk tolerance. With just a few clicks, you can connect with top traders and replicate their successful trades in real time. What's more, BingX has been designed with transparency in mind. You can review each trader's performance, strategy, and risk levels before you decide to copy their trades. This allows you to make informed decisions based on reliable data, ensuring that your investments are in good hands. Now, let's talk about an exciting exclusive offer. When you sign up for BingX, make sure to use my referral code CHUCHU. This will not only give you a fantastic boost to start your trading journey, but may also unlock additional rewards and benefits that enhance your trading experience on the platform. In summary, BingX copy trading stands out due to its user-friendly interface, transparency, and the ability to learn and earn simultaneously by following the pros. So why wait? Sign up today, use the referral code CHUCHU, and embark on your journey in the crypto trading arena with confidence. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto insights, and don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU for exclusive benefits on BingX. Happy trading!